With more than 30 years' experience and knowledge, Autoelectro is thought to be the largest independent remanufacturer and supplier of rotating electrics in the UK. To find out more, GWTV heads to its Yorkshire-based facility where it remanufactures and stocks thousands of starter motors and alternators ready for delivery.
Every single starter or alternator is stripped right down. Any wearing components are replaced regardless, bearings, bushes. Other components are tested to see if they're still within tolerance. Certain components where we know there's a fault will get replaced regardless.
Continuous range development ensures the latest applications are catalogued and stocked, while its fully equipped lab sees that all products are thoroughly tested to OE specifications. It's Autoelectro's extensive knowledge and expertise that's the driving force behind its fit and forget motto.
The business has developed from a technical background. We're auto electricians, we're fuel injection engineers, we know the vehicles inside out, we know how they work. To assist the garages, what we've done is we've provided a lot of technical information and support. We provide a technical note in with the product if we know that there's a common fault on a particular application. With a starter motor, one of the best things to do is just to smell it. And if it smells burnt out, then it's telling you that there's probably another fault on the vehicle. It could be the ignition switch or a wiring problem. And then just a visual inspection on the alternator on the starter motor. A classic example of that now, I think a lot of installers are aware now, is with the Ford Transit starter motor, where it was getting contaminated with DMF dust. So all they needed to do there was just look inside the starter, and if it had like iron filings in it, then they knew there was a problem there. And if they replaced the starter, it'd be okay for a few months. But then you could guarantee that it'd fail again.
Tony told us that there's still some confusion when it comes to the differences between remanufactured and reconditioned parts, and explained that the two terms often get muddled.
From the scrapyard, you just get an old second-hand one. A repaired one, obviously, it's just going to go there. Whatever fault's been found with it, it'll get repaired. And that's done. And then reconditioned is similar, to be fair, to a repair, but it may have just been cleaned up a little bit and tidied up. Whereas as a remanufactured unit is fully stripped down, right down to the bare components, and remanufactured to OE or even higher standards.
For further information about Autoelectro and to access its database of technical data, register at autoelectro.co.uk.